Hello everyone, this is lesson number 46, HSK4, and let's start. Quickly repeat our words. 严 sold, 严友好 friendly. 相反 opposite, on the contrary. 商量 to consult, to discuss something, mostly about plan or I think every question can be. 教育 education or to educate. 椰子 leaf. 规定 rule regulation. 蛇 rigid inflexible. And first one for today is 全部 whole complete. With 全 full, 部 part, so full part of whole 全部. For example, I completed all the homework. 我把全部作业都完成了. Do you remember this 把? You can translate like to hold, to take. So 我把 I take, I take 全部 whole homework 全部作业and 都完成了完成 to complete. So you can say 我完成了全部作业 or you can say 我把全部作业都完成了这个都 just full everything. It's just a way of create sentence. You can vice versa also could be. I completed all the homework. 我把全部作业都完成了 to complete. Next one. He spent his complete savings to buy a house. 他花了全部积蓄买了房子。So 他花了 he spent 花 to spend here is is a flower but here is a verb to spend. 他花了全部积蓄积蓄 it's a savings but for now it's from HSK5 savings accumulate nest egg 全部积蓄 whole savings 买 to buy 买了 bought房子 house or apartment not so clear. He spent his complete savings to buy a house. 他花了全部积蓄买了房子 Next one 也许 perhaps probably maybe 也许 could happen. Perhaps it will rain tomorrow. 也许明天会下雨 So there possibly there is a chance. Presumably or might also. 明天 tomorrow 会 will 下雨 rain to go rain. You cannot say just 会雨会下雨 Perhaps it will rain tomorrow. 也许明天会下雨 He didn't come. Maybe he is sick. 他没来也许是生病了。他没来 he didn't come 没来也许 there is a chance 也许 maybe 也许是生病了生病 to got sick to fall ill 的 he didn't come maybe he is sick 他没来也许是生病了 Next one 并且 and besides of something and you can say moreover and in addition furthermore additionally he is smart and very hardworking 他聪明并且很努力他聪明 he is smart 并且 and moreover 并且很努力 hardworking 他聪明并且很努力 very hardworking. This book is interesting besides having rich content. Besides having so, in addition, 这本书有趣。This book is interesting. 有趣，并且 and moreover in addition 内容丰富，内容这个 content inside information 内容 nays inside 内容丰富 abundant rich flourish I don't know extensive abundant enriched. So this book is interesting besides having rich content. 这本书有趣，并且内容丰富。内容丰富。Next one， 勺子。勺子 just a spoon. I need a spoon to eat a soup. 我需要一个勺子吃汤。我需要 I need I have I require you can say I have to have or I need 一个碗勺子 one spoon or a spoon 吃汤 to eat a soup 吃汤 but for Chinese they mostly say 喝汤 to eat to drink soup 喝汤 I think 吃 sometimes can be 勺子so 我需要一个勺子吃汤如果喝汤the spoon fell on the floor 勺子掉到地上了勺子 the spoon 掉 fell to fall 掉到 to fall to 地上了地 is a floor 上 on the floor and le it's connected with 掉掉到 or 掉到 here is to so down works together with 上 on the floor to the floor. The spoon fell on the floor. 勺子掉这个掉 to fall 掉到地上了 fall on the floor 掉到地上了对 Next one 保护 to protect protection 保 it's to protect who it's to they're almost the same words insurance guarantee keep and protect who protect defend we should protect the environment 我们要保护环境 sometimes it could be just 保境 sometimes it could be shorter version but it's full version we should protect the environment 我们要 we have to we should 我们要保护环境 environment or surrounding climate ecological okay 我们要保护环境保护 let's see another one this law provides protection for wildlife 这项法律提供野生动物的保护这个项 just a measure word you can say 这个法律这项法律 this law 提供 provides 野生野 it's a wild 生 like creature you can say wild feral 野生动物 animals wildlife wild animal 野生动物的保护 so protection of this wildlife so here is 保护 it's a noun not verb as here protection and to protect 这项 this law provides protection for wildlife 这项法律提供野生动物的保护野生动物的保护 next one 作用 role effect or function let's see music has the effect of relaxing the mind 音乐有放松心情的作用 so 音乐 music 有 has and has effect right as a function of 作用 but which one and this they describe it 放松心情 放松 relax 心情 mind or inner feel heart or mood right 心情 or your emotion. So music has the effect of relaxing the mind. 音乐有放松心情的作用 role effect function right contribution to your something. He plays, so sometimes it could be a verb, even verb, 作用. He plays an important role in the team. 他在团队中起到重要作用。So 他在团队 he is 这个在 works together with 中 so 他在团队中 in the team inside of the team 起到祈祷 is a bit tricky. 祈祷对 you can say can have a certain effect on. Oh, this one. Oh, this one is our construction. To have something effect on. 起到什么什么作用 to have an effect on something. 起步到 cannot have effect of something. 起得到 can have. 起得到起不到 or just 起到 or have some function. So 他在团队中起到重要作用 you can say have important 重要作用effect or important role in the team part of a team right he plays an important role in the team 他在团队中起到重要作用 and the last one for today is 无法 to be unable to no chance to do something 无办法 cannot lack unable to impossible incapable so I'm unable to understand his decision 我无法理解他的决定 so you can say to be unable to so it's like verb or adjective sometimes right 我无法 I'm no way you can say no way 理解 to understand 理解他的决定 his decision 理解to understand but oh sorry 我无法理解他的决定 you can say I'm cannot no chance 我无法理解他的决定 sometimes 决定 is also a verb but here is decision and the last one due to the traffic jam we were unable to arrive on time 由于堵车我们无法准时到达由于 you can say by the reason of or due to 由于堵车指 traffic jam 由于 due to the traffic jam you say 由于 we will meet in future because you can say just because owing to due to because of something 堵车 congestion traffic jam 堵车我们无法 we are unable to no way to 准时到达 to arrive but 准时 on time 那个时 time 准exactly on time 准时的 prompt on schedule accurately 准时 so due to the traffic jam we were unable to arrive on time 由于堵车我们无法准时到达 don't mislead with 达到 some to reach some goal but 到达 to reach some destination in the real life so let's quickly repeat 全部 whole complete complete homework something like that 也许 perhaps probably maybe 也许 sometimes 可能 there is a chance, 也许, because 许 allow, oh, but for now it's okay. 并且 and besides of something, 勺子 spoon, 保护 to protect, protection, 作用 role, effect, function, 无法 to be unable to, 无法. So today is not a lot of words, but still has. But we also have one new idiom, right? Last time we learned this one. To worry unnecessary. 杞人忧天这个忧 to worry. But for now, let's see. A rare opportunity. 箭在难逢，不是难逢。Let me check what is it. We can say opportunities that only came about once in a blue moon. 天在南方的机遇 opportunity. So you can say happens one in 1,000 years. 箭在南方. This idiom describes an opportunity that comes once in 1,000 years, emphasizing rarity. 千 like 1,000 indicating a long time. 在 here. Non-difficult. 逢 to encounter. 对 one of translation with a 在 not 在 with the first one 在 it's year. So 千载 non-difficult 逢 to meet, right? To逢 to encounter something. 逢凶化吉逢凶化吉 Okay. Let's see. This competition is a rare opportunity. You must cherish it. 这次比赛是千载难逢的机会，你要珍惜。So 这次比赛 this competition 这次比赛是千载难逢的机会。So you can say opportunity that happened once in 1,000 years. 千载难逢 once in a lifetime, once in a generation. 千载难逢的机会，你要珍惜 and you need to cherish it. 你要珍惜。This competition is a rare opportunity. You must cherish it. 这次比赛是千载难逢的机会，你要珍惜，珍惜。千载难逢，千载难逢。And we have also one tongue twister for today. Before we learn this one, the tea firewood is inferior and dismantled. 插柴插柴插茶不是插柴插柴 This one is not easy one. 插柴插柴 Today's a new one. The flower slides splendidly smooth. Splendidly. Extremely well. In a magnificent and very impressive manner. Splendidly smooth. 花花花花花 flower 花 to slide 花 splendid in a you can say prosperous 花 smooth slippery, so you can say it's two translation 花花 the flower slides splendidly smooth 花花花花 just first and second 花花花花花花花花花花花花 So that's all for today. See you next time.